So my thesis is about market-based solutions to pollution and basically what's wrong with it, or like what are the main points of critique. So I started with the idea because I think the EU ETS, European Emission Trading Scheme, has always been presented in economic courses as a very efficient solution, because you basically set a cap on how much pollution you want to allow, and then you can make the cap a bit lower each year. And then the efficient part is that companies are able to trade these emissions, the rights to pollute. So if you're a company for which it's easier to reduce emissions, then you can sell them because you can profit from reducing pollution. And then for company which has like higher costs of doing that, they can buy it. So instead of having like one tax, you gain the same amount of reduction, but at lower cost for the economy, which is in economics, in the courses I had there. And then a more the philosophical aspect is really like how can you determine a price like that, because it's market based. So basically, after like the crisis, the prices went down quite a lot, and like how like philosophically, like how can you give someone even the rights to pollute, and why would you let the market determine what the price would be? And it basically goes down to also the like what is cost benefit analysis. So how do you determine costs and that? So it's still in my head. It's like a discovery, like how it goes, but it's more based on arguments on like a philosophical approach to it. So it's not an economic comparison of what is efficient, but it's more like what are potential issues with it. And I think, for example, in the EU case, they try to rebuild it a bit, and before they would just give the rights, but now they can also auction the rights, which is like a big difference. Instead of, because you polluted like this amount last year, we're going to give you the rights minus a little bit, and now it's more auction based.